Welcome to Pimpy's Investment Chat, where we keep investment talk simple. And here's your host, Pimpy.
What is going on out there, peeps? This has definitely been one heck of a week for cryptos as well as gold and silver. We're going to take a look at both of them and try to figure out if this is an indication of what type of investment you need to be in during a time of crisis. Before we get into that, though, please hit the thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I surely do appreciate it. For those of you who are thinking about buying gold and silver, go check out our friends at Money Metals Exchange. The link is down below in the description. If you are a first-time buyer and you spend more than $100, use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y, and you will get a free half ounce of silver. Boy, take a look at Bitcoin. Down $3,400. What happened? My guess is that there's a nonstop attack on cryptocurrencies from the mainstream media. They're claiming that it's being used to help Russia in this invasion. But is this true? I mean, is there proof there? I told you guys this before. What I didn't like is, how do they know this? What is their indication that this is true? Like when they're talking about going after the assets of billionaires who are trying to transfer the wealth out of Russia. How do they know this? You know me, I question everything. So anyways, Bitcoin to $3,995. Ethereum, $2,596. New World Order coin down to 71 cents. Cardano down to 83 cents. Solana, $88. Polkadot, $16.65. Dogecoin, 12 cents. Shiba, 4023. It did drop just a little bit. Polygon's at $1.46. Crypto.com, 39 cents. And yes, you can see over here the graphs on the cryptocurrencies. Pretty much in lockstep as usual, with a couple of exceptions. On the 52-week average, you can see all the little dots racing in the wrong direction. You don't want them to go to the left, you want them to go to the right. Satama, 7016, was kicking buck. It's been doing really good about staying pretty stable. Then there's a huge drop off, but regained itself. A huge drop off again, regained itself. So over the last hour, it's down 4%. Over the last 24 hours, it is down 9.6%. Over the last 7 days, on average, it is up 2%. Over the last 14 days, it is down 14.2%. Over the last 30 days, though, it has been down 39.4%. Taking a look at SBR Bank, that's that stock I was talking about. So it's up 2 cents to 52 cents. You can tell the markets are closed for now. I'm going to jump on this one. I don't care if it goes down more or not. I think this is a good hold. SBR Bank's been around for a little while. I don't think they're going anywhere. I understand right now they're being targeted. But once this mess is done, the stocks will go back up. Pay attention to possible ceasefire agreements that will affect the stock. The Russian ruble, check this out. 2081. Not low enough for me. Wow, $25.73. Look how close it is to $26. We haven't seen it there since, when was that? The summer of 2020. So this is awesome. And it's just going to keep going up. Now is the time before it's too late and it gets too expensive. So since February the 15th, you can see here on the 23rd, it really started to take off. That's when Russia first went into Ukraine. And then all of a sudden, what a smackdown. You can see that not only has silver recovered, but is now higher. This is awesome. I'm really pumped about this. Well, there's a small part of me that kind of wants it to stay down so I can continue to accumulate. But I know a lot of us, including myself, can use a little bump and some value, that's for sure. Also, I'm excited about this. Look at gold. Get on up there, gold, $1,972.90. It's definitely heading in the right direction. Like I said, we haven't seen these types of prices since the summer of 2020. So just like silver, since the 15th, this huge dip, gold is getting back up there to where it was. This is what we want to see. I'm feeling really good about this, I'm being honest. I'm excited about them both going up. But again, there's a part of me that always goes, no, wait, I want to buy more. You're never going to feel like you have enough, especially as prices start to shoot up. Isn't it always that way? So congrats, both gold and silver taking off. And they're doing it at a real healthy pace, which is nice. So I love this article. This is what I'm talking about. Russian crypto volumes fall, debunking theories of evading sanctions. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. How do you know what they're doing? I want to know how they know. Because isn't cryptos supposed to be total anonymity? You know, the whole 9 yards? Decentralized platform, nobody can mess with it. So we know that's BS. Any crypto can be messed with. Because if you can't get to the actual crypto themselves, the government can go after the exchanges that allow them to be traded, bought, sold on their exchange. They could simply threaten to take away their license, close down their business, and just like that, the exchanges will comply. That's one of the concerns I've always had, government interference. Russian ruble-denominated crypto buying, selling, and trading on major exchanges has fallen. This debunks theories circulating for a while about mass crypto buying in Russia to evade sanctions. Several rounds of sanctions have been imposed by the EU and the United States, Canada, and other nations on key Russian banks and some ministers. Russia-denominated crypto purchasing has gone down despite the large market looking bright, as most crypto assets recovered from their lower support levels. They were, but they're going back down now. According to the blockchain analysis firms, crypto transactions in Russia rubles have been decelerating on significant exchanges. The same debunked theories that the country could pivot to digital assets to avoid sanctions. I think they're just going to use this as an excuse. They don't care whether it's connected or not, as an excuse to ask for regulations or to force us over to the central bank digital currency. But I was glad about this because I was thinking, how the hell do you know this? I don't understand how they know this. I just feel like it was an attack on cryptos. I told you I want to support cryptos, but I don't trust government interference at all. And you could see why. Once again, more banks conforming, more countries conforming. They're getting ready to shove us into something we don't want to be a part of. That's why you need gold and silver. Central Bank of Brazil selects partners to assist with CBDC. So Brazil, anybody from Brazil? If you guys are over there, you should be spreading the word. Tell you people, you do not want this central bank digital currency. Among the partners are crypto exchange, Mercado Bitcoin, Santander Brazil. I know I'm hacking up these names. Decentralized finance platform. Why would these guys be assisting with the central bank digital currency? Yeah, I just don't get it. It says the initiative received 47 project proposals from Brazil, Germany, and the U.S., Israel, Mexico, Portugal, and UK and Sweden. The central bank said in a statement on Thursday, noting that it is seeking to evaluate use cases for the CBDC and assist. They're not seeking, I'm telling you right now, they're not seeking any use cases. They have already made up their mind. So when they go like we're researching or studying or looking into or asking the public's opinion, they're just going to lie to you. These things have already been designed. So it's unfortunate to see Bitcoin take such a hit, but I'm sure it has more to do with the exchanges who are being targeted by the media. And unfortunately, cryptos are being sucked into this whole invasion narrative. I think it's detrimental and it's taken a huge toll on cryptocurrencies. But it also tells you what? Which asset is the true safe haven? That's gold and silver. If a country could get mad and tell an exchange not to allow a crypto to be traded, bought, or sold, that's going to affect your protection. Because if they go to confiscate your money like a bail-in and they tell the exchanges, under regulation law, blah, 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 you have to freeze the assets of all individuals out of this area and then turn them over to the government as a bail-in. And you already saw, I already showed you that bail-in paperwork for Canada. Says that cryptos are included. They can confiscate them. That's why you want gold and silver. Anyways, that's it for now. Hit the thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I surely do appreciate it. And I'll catch you later. I'm out.